Hey guys, it's Ricardo, Echoes Pirate. Um, the topic of this video is how to make money outside of YouTube, and there's many ways to do it. I've done it for several years. One good way is garage sales. You can go to garage sales, um, uh, and from the items that you make that you buy from garage sales, you can sell on many e-commerce sites. Um, I sell on, like, for instance, you can um, sell them on eBay, Etsy, Mercari, Poshmark, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. Um, there's a little bit more. There's more web e-commerce sites out there, um, but um, that's one way how to make money. Another way is selling at garage flea markets. That's another good way. Um, some flea markets are open early in the morning, 6 to 3, 7 to 3. Um, you can you don't really have to stay till 3. You can stay as long as you want. Um, some people stay till 12, 1, and then they leave. Um, and there's different entry fees depending on the location. Some it can go from actually from $5 to a little more than $35 per day. So, and also if you have a trailer, of course, some venues charge more for the trailer, so that's like an extra vehicle. Um, and then on the flea markets, some um, you can pay monthly for a spot on some places, which is good because you're guaranteed a spot on that location at the flea market, rather than paying every day at the door as a vendor, you know. So that's another way. Another way also that I've done for several years is storage auction. Storage auctions are very good. They have them online. They have them on site. Now they're more going toward online. There's uh, different sites out there. I use storagetreasures.com. There's different sites, places to buy auctions, or you can also go on site. You can check the newspaper classifieds um, under the business section. It'll tell you. It'll have the location, the unit number. Sometimes it'll have the former tenant's number, and it'll have the dates when the auctions are going to be. Um, but going toward back to the storage auction, um, there's different. You can don't bid what you can't actually afford, because sometimes you overbid and you get stuck with a unit that doesn't have hardly anything in the unit, and then you just lose out money. I bid only what I can see. Um, so and that's another way to make money from the items that you buy at the storage auction. You can in turn sell them again on the e-commerce sites, uh, Etsy, eBay, Facebook Marketplace. That's another very another good site is the Facebook Marketplace. That's where I sell mostly all my larger items. Some smaller items I sell on eBay, Etsy, and then the items that I know I can't sell on Facebook. Um, Everything else I sell at the flea market on weekends. Um, and of course, you have um, hagglers that will lowball you, but hey, that's part of life. That's part of business. at the flea market. So you know, if you buy an item for $3 and you try to sell it for 6, and they haggle you to 4, but at least you make some money off of it. So that's another good way. But the storage units, the reason I like storage auctions is because if I buy a unit for 30, and every item that's in the unit, I know I can make money because I paid 30 for the unit, so I don't have to. If they lowball me on the item on one of the items that are in there, that's fine because I already made my $30. If I see an item in there that's worth $40 and I get 50, fine. I make my $30 for the unit, and everything else is profit. But you also have to take into account, if you go to the flea market, take into account your profits. Take into account the item that you made, how much money you made profit per item, your time and your gas. Your time is very important, and the gas, and then of course the food. So you have to subtract all that from what you made at the flea market, and that's what you made profit. Because if you just see that if you just say that I made $300 profit, and you don't subtract the time, your money, your food, and the item you pay for the item, you'll never figure out yourself how much money you made. So that's those are also another way to make money is um, the some people they do um, uh, they uh, scrap metal. That's another good way to make money. You can collect scrap metal and set them at the scrap yards. Uh, a lot of people do it. I've done it before. Copper. I've done also um, even cans. You can even sell cans. So and then another good way to make money is dumpster diving. Dumpster diving, you can actually find good items in the dumpster, but you have to um, um, go according to the 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 laws in your city. Some cities don't like for you to dumpster dive. Um, if there's a sticker on the dumpster that says no dumpster diving, of course, that's off limits in some cities. Some cities allow you to dumpster dive. So pay attention your laws in your city, your hometown. So like I said, those are very good. Um, Also, another good way too is house cleanups. Um, there's people that actually will pay you to clean um, to take out all the items in their house, and as long as everything is clean, you can keep the rest. That's another good way to make money because uh, you can actually like I said, whatever you make money off the house cleanup, you can sell on all these e-commerce sites, flea markets, and whatnot. So and you can also um, do jewelry, do crafting. I've done jewelry before. You can actually make the jewelry or crafts, and you can sell, like I said, online, flea markets, and Etsy. Etsy allows you to sell handmade items on the website, and also you can also sell them on Facebook Marketplace. So again, guys, those are some ways to make money outside of YouTube, which I do currently. So hopefully that will help you guys. And if you have any questions, you can always send them on my Instagram, on my webpage, Ghost Pirate. Um, if you have not hit the thumbs up, please hit the thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And again, um, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.